Yeah, just to add to this, last year we had Kaizad Namdarian, who was one of our awardees, and Kaizad had created this group called Feed a Child with Just a Click. And I think he had around 8 million subscribers finally. And he got a little too heavy for Facebook, that Facebook curtailed the group. Anyway, that's a lesson. So Kaizad, who is the Australian ambassador to the Congo now, had created. So yeah, social media can be used, but again, a very important question which you raised is, again, my point which I was trying to make with those documentaries which the NGO makes, if 60 people are watching it and then it goes into the archives, you're not really converted the unconverted. The whole purpose of media should be that the message reaches out to someone who then starts thinking as to what can I do about this. So if you're not reaching the target audience, how do you kind of...
But Jerry, that's again up to us, I feel. It's up to us to constantly take it out to people and show it. You have 60 people in the first 1 month, but then again you go back, show it to 10 people. That's how the word spreads. I mean, there's no easy way out for this. You need a person to constantly be on it and make sure that it's being sent to people.
I think Gaurav wants to.
रिगार्डिंग द सोशल मीडिया, चंडीगढ़ में भी सोशल मीडिया हमने काफ़ी यूज़ किया, जितनी भी प्रोटेस्ट हुई पिछले 1 साल में करी सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू ही, इवेंट्स के थ्रू मैनेज किया था. बट एक बहुत ही खास जो बात है ख्याल रखने वाली है सोशल मीडिया के रिगार्डिंग, वो ये है कि ऑनलाइन ग्रुप्स एक अलग चीज़ है और ऑन ग्राउंड एक्शन एक अलग चीज़ है. दोनों का कंबाइन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ऑनलाइन ग्रुप्स बहुत सारे हैं, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के अगेंस्ट और ये सब सारी चीज़ें हैं, बट वो बिल्कुल यूजलेस है अगर वो ट्रांसलेट नहीं हो रहा है ऑन ग्राउंड एक्शन में. तो ऑन ग्राउंड एक्शन में लाना उनको बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है
जी. और उसके लिए ऑन ग्राउंड लाने के लिए यू नीड डेडिकेशन, यू नीड पीपल हु वुड डू दैट, एंड दैट इज ऑल ऑफ अस. As you know, it's very easy to point fingers and say, "यार ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा." But what are we doing? Are we taking that documentary that you have been interested in showing it out to 10 other people? That is what we are.
That's the scary part, like Gaurav said. There's a lot of armchair activism, but ask these guys to come out and do something.
And Jerry, last, to talk about the 60 ka audience, it is definitely, I think, like I said, why it is media advocacy, because it is actually shown वहीं के वहीं आप एक थिएटर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे सेंसिटाइजेशन डेफिनेटली ला सकते हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, कॉर्पोरेट सेंसिटाइजेशन में, स्टूडेंट पॉपुलेशन में, कम्युनिटी में. सो वी ब्रिंग सो पक्का ऑडियंस तो है कंपल्सरी. 1 घंटा देते हैं, उसमें 10 मिनट तो फिल्म देख ही लेते हैं. उसके बाद फिर सेक्शंस होते हैं जो यहाँ पर अभी हो रहा है. तो ऑडियंस 60 के ऊपर ही है जेरी, डेफिनेटली. आई मीन अल्लाह ताला भी मेहरबान है कि 6 लाख के ऊपर हो गए होंगे. और फर्क भी है. इट हैज कन्वर्टेड. यू सी अ फिल्म व्हिच वाज मेड वे बैक ऑन एक्सेस. आज बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक्सेसिबल जो हैं, रैम्स जो हम लोग ने जद्दोजहद करी थी, सिर्फ पहले मोर्चा लेके जाते थे, लेकिन फिर देयर इज अ एक्सेसिबिलिटी टूल किट जो बनाया गया, उसके बाद कैसे रैम्प डालते, इवन द मेजरमेंट्स. तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें परिवर्तन आया है इसके जरिए.
I think we also have contributed to the process, but it has to change. But it's about creating a culture. The only apprehension which I was trying to point out at that time was that, like this country has no culture of philanthropy, like this country has no culture of sport. I remember going for the Commonwealth Games, and every time the competing countries were in that wrestling bout, the entire audience would boo them. And I said, this is not culture of sport. Similarly, a culture of documentaries needs to be brought into this country, but it involves a huge process because you need to clean up NFDC, which is a very corrupt body. You need to, NFDC actually gets 2% of the profits of all cinema halls, which is supposed to be invested in documentaries. I never know where that money goes.
Even children films. You never see any children films. And
it's absolutely corrupt out there. I don't know how they choose their chairs and things like that. But, I mean...
Well, see, I think, you'll keep having such people. I think it is up to you. Tum acha kaam karo. Be very selfish.
There should be a group of documentary filmmakers who kind of work towards cleaning up this process and, reclaiming this entire sector. That's my basic, humble request.
Okay.
We'll all get together, और अगर नाक वाक किसी को हाथ वाथ तोड़ना हो तो मुझे बुला लीजिएगा. अपने को बात करने को ठीक से नहीं आता है, वो एलिगेंस, वो नजाकत नहीं है.
Below the pictures of Mother Teresa and Gandhi ji, non-violence, satyagraha.
नहीं, I completely understand. I'm just saying because कभी-कभी बहुत
से 2 chairs away.
Okay, we'll have to wind up.
We'll wrap it up. I think just Prateek wants to speak about.
I have a small question. Why can't we modify a story a bit to attract more audience? Like, for example, there are many feature films that are based out of feature films, that the bigger feature films, not documentaries. that are based out of true stories. They are actually not true stories, but they are true stories with added masala to it. So why can't we add a bit of masala here and there to attract more audience and repeatedly attract more audience?
Point taken, Pratik. And like I told you, we produced the first movie on HIV/AIDS. We now have a fund called ICOS Flix, which is what we call as public advocacy cinema. It's mainstream cinema with song and dance, but it's all around the cause.
Thank you guys for coming in. And I think, yeah, I mean, it's our media. You as an individual need to make the change. You can't really wait for people or a group of people to get up and just clap at their works. You have to get up. If you want to see a change, you need to be the change yourself. And be it in media, be it in anything, as long as you are committed to take a stand and stick by it, that's what is important, and that's how change happens. And that's all that I have to say, and thank you very much for being a great audience.